Hi, it's Steffi, and if I look like I'm wearing clothes from the last video, I am, because I did the videos back to back. But, in fact, I'm making sure I have enough time, because my last battery died like that. We ordered a box of watches, and when it was delivered, the box was really small and said 5 pounds, so I knew it wasn't watches. And we were so disappointed that we just decided to open this box. I wish I'd opened it on camera. It was a good box. But I kept the best stuff out. I'm going to share that with you right now. And at the end of my 3-part series, I'll let you know which box these came out of. But this is, and some of this is yard sale stuff as well. But anyway, I'm going to start with this. This was in the box. And this is, I think, 56 gold plated because they're a little bit magnetic, but they're absolutely stunning and brand new. It's just a bunch of necklaces, and then a few that are longer. So these are going to be sold in lots of 12. I'm guessing, don't hold me to it, somewhere around $8, I think is what those will go for. I got to research it though. Then this was out of a yard sale, and I thought this was pretty cool. I've had other pieces similar, but I thought this was really neat. It's got the clay and kind of an old-fashioned hook. And then this was from a yard sale. I love this big tassel. And it does have a signature on it, I think. Does it? No. No. But it's got a piece of agate, or whatever that sliced stone is that they've put the copper foiling on. And this really beautiful tassel. And I think I paid $1 for this, $1 for the clay one. And then I paid $1. Yes, you can see the dollar. $1 for these fun earrings. I thought these are crazy enough. Somebody will love them. They're kind of boho, pom-poms. You know, they're just, let me hold one apart so you can see what one earring looks like. So these were $1 at a yard sale. Now the rest of this was in the box that we did not share with you. And I'm so disappointed we didn't, but we were just really sad and disappointed. We had already opened it to see if it was watches. And I did end up opening another box. You will have seen that video, because that video will have come out on Thursday. But I did not go through that bag. I did not touch the bag. I just made sure it was jewelry, shut the box back up, and did not go through it. But this was in there. It's a beautiful wooden, solid wood, very heavy, nice quality wooden bracelet, which I'll polish up and make look a little better. This pretty bracelet was also in there, very shiny, and it says Stella and Dot. And then these earrings were in there, which are absolutely stunning. Have no idea what they are. There's absolutely no identifying information, but I'll definitely list those because those are really pretty. I have a couple of brass and copper bracelets, which I'll list together. I got to kind of bend them back in shape, and I'll polish them pretty nicely before I list them. These are neat vintage earrings that I'm going to list on eBay. Now I'm going to get all this stuff listed before the video comes out. So you'll either be seeing this video on Saturday morning or Monday morning. It might be Monday morning so I can get all this listed. These are actually a nice, these are Da Vinci, I think it was. And I think they're worth they're not worth a lot, like maybe $10. But it's a pair. It's a pair of earrings. Most of them are sold that are white, but they may be $10. They're not very much. And the prices will be on the video, because I will edit the video after I list. Just a couple little pairs of earrings. One is like a kind of a square shape with black rhinestones. And then this has black rhinestones. So I'll probably list those together. Maybe in a lot with some other earrings. Here's some other earrings. Maybe I'll put those with them. Now these are cute. I'll probably list these separate. They kind of are they're kind of called like a hex, almost like a hex symbol style, the Pennsylvania Dutch type. Really pretty. And then I love this pair. The iridescent rhinestone and a key and a lock. They're just gorgeous. And I will definitely list those. And then there was this piece, which is very nice. This is, I believe, a prestige piece. No, this one's not got any identifying information on it. But it's a very pretty piece. High quality. It's got that really beautiful wheat style chain, but in beautiful shape, and absolutely no identifying information, but no real wear either. It's a nice looking piece. Not sure what it's worth, but you will know where I've listed it, and every piece that I'm showing you, I'll have on the screen if it's on Mercari or eBay and how much. And then this bracelet is really pretty. This one, I believe, was signed. Yes, Charming Charlie. And it's got little rhinestones. It's very pretty and delicate. So I will definitely be listing that one. Just very sweet. A very sweet, cute, but yet very pretty and light and delicate. Now this is a very interesting piece. I thought this was fun. These are earrings. I got both of them. They have a chain hanging on them. They're a post. And then they got the chain. I'll see if I can get it in front of the camera so you can see it. Kind of vintage looking. I got both of those. I'll be selling those. Now this one, I've seen one very similar to it, also missing one stone, and somebody bought it. So even though this is missing an amethyst stone, let me see if I can find where the stone is missing on this piece right here. One stone is missing, but I've seen them sell because this is, let me see, who is this? My loop is right here. Let me grab it. But I saw one, the same name but a different color, sell. This is Emmons. And I saw one very similar, but I think it was clear. It might have been red, and it sold with a stone missing. So I'll put it up, disclose the stone is missing, and the other one got 10 bucks. Now here's a pretty necklace that I also pulled out of this set, out of this box. Again, no signature, but really high quality. It's just a really pretty necklace. All of the pendants look like this. You can see it's just nice quality. Beautifully detailed. It's kind of got a, what do they call that? A hammered look maybe? And then a beautiful gold chain. Just a very nice piece. Not sure what it'll sell, but like I said, all these pieces will either be on Mercari or Etsy, and I'll have it on the screen so you can see it. There's another piece that, and I think people still enjoy wearing these, and it's all glass beads, and the chain is nice. Let me get it. This one also is, oh no, this has, no sign, no signature, but it's a chain with the beautiful glass beads. A big glass bead and two little glass beads. Well, actually, they're metal beads on top and bottom. And it's very long. I mean, I'm going to hold it back so you can see it. It's very long and has a nice extension on it as well. So that will be sold either on Mercari or eBay. And that should be listed as we speak. Because that's all I'm going to do this weekend is get this stuff listed. Here's another really kind of interesting piece that I thought was fun. The chain is interesting. It's kind of whitewashed. Like it's not bright white, but it's got a whitewash to it. And this looks like shell. I don't know what it is, but it's a gold tone on the back. Also a nice long chain. Very, very pretty piece. That'll be listed. And like I said, some of these could be $5, some of these could be $20. I don't know. But I would imagine there's going to be quite a few of them in the $5 to $8 range. And then maybe a few will be higher. But I'm okay with that. I figure if I sell 100 things for $5, $500, right? And I have this whole set here, which are quite pretty. So I think those are very nice. And I've got the whole set. So those will definitely go up on either Mercari. Now I did notice a weird thing, that for some reason the ear wire is on backwards, because that should be the front, because the back is indented, like, you know, it's how it's like when they press metal. The earring is on backwards. So I'm going to have to take them on both of them. So I'm going to have to fix that. But otherwise, they're in beautiful, brand new shape. Then there is this one, which I believe is this Trifari? I'm trying to remember. I looked it up. Oh, here it is. Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, this is Trifari, and it's a very pretty necklace. I don't know if you can tell. Hold on, let me get it so that they're all the same direction. Hold on. Let's get the necklace going the same. It's like a choker or collar necklace. And then if you see the pretty chain, it's like a loop. Very, very pretty. That's Trifari. And if it's vintage, it'll be up on eBay. If it's modern, you know, oh, this is a nice one. I think this one was like maybe a $10 bracelet. I can't remember. This one is got a dove. Now this is, I believe, Alex and Annie, 2016. So it might be a $5 piece. I know I looked it up, but this one, I don't know yet for sure. I got to research a little bit more. But like I said, you'll be seeing the prices and where it's listed as I show the piece. There's a pair of little shoe earrings. I don't think those are very valuable, so they'll probably go in with a couple other pairs of earrings. This is a beautiful necklace here. And this, oh, it's got a double chain. That's right, because it's got another little pendant above it. And this one is signed Monet. It's a very, you can tell it's good quality. So that one will also be up. And again, you'll see where I'm selling it and for how much it's listed at in the captions. Then I thought this one was kind of fun. It's two-sided, so you can show it either direction. It's got this nice little detail on it. See if you can see that. But each side, let me see, get it back on. Trying to show you, and it's sliding. Okay. See the little I don't know if you can see the little details. It's very pretty. And this has like an enamel over metal. Gives it, there's a very pretty pattern. See, I think I captured it. And then the brown enamel over it. And then the rest of it's just a simple chain. Oh, it is signed. This one says, oh, this is Prestige. This one's Prestige. Okay. And then the last piece I have in the box here, it was a pretty good haul, is this one. I thought this was really pretty. I do have to add a clasp to it, but I thought this one was pretty enough to fix. It does have a signature on it. Oh, no, I don't have to put a signature. Don't have to put a clasp, I just have to hook it back together. This is Chaps, which I believe is Ralph Lauren. I just have to, that's right, on this one, I just have to hook these two back together. That's it. That's all I have to do. I don't know if it's missing any, let's see. Let's see, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Yeah, I might. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm missing beads. We'll see. If it's salvageable and I can sell it, I will sell it. If it's missing too many, if it's missing beads that I can't replicate, then we won't. But I'm going to try to get this fixed and put it up. That might be the only no-show if I cannot. And if I can't fix it, it'll be in a lot, a very quick lot of what I want to do is make a bunch of lots that are good necklaces like this that are broken or missing a part, but that make great jewelry. You could use them for jewelry, for crafting. But, you know, we've got some really unusual, pretty pieces, some vintage pieces. And so we'll get all this listed. All this will get listed by the time this video airs. I might put all the earrings in a lot with a couple other pairs of earrings, but I will have them all listed. So you'll be either seeing this on Saturday or Sunday morning or Monday, depending on how quickly I list. So, including the bracelets, with their necklaces, I mean, that'll be sold in lots of 12, I believe I decided I was going to do. So they probably won't cost a whole lot because you can, you know, they're just a plain chain, but they're very reflective, very beautiful. They look like gold. I think they might have a little gold plating on them, but they're unworn. They came like this, and for some reason were not too badly tangled. I put the twist tie on them, and then the few longer ones, and I might add a few chains to the longer one to make it a bigger lot. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon. Bye.